Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin E for hair. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that can significantly benefit your scalp and hair. It helps to neutralize free radicals, reducing oxidative stress that can damage hair follicles. This can lead to improved blood circulation to the scalp, fostering a healthier environment for hair growth. Ultimately, regular use can enhance your hair's natural strength and give it a beautiful, healthy shine. One popular way to use vitamin E is through topical application. Start by mixing a few drops of pure vitamin E oil with a carrier oil, such as coconut or jojoba oil. Gently massage this blend into your scalp for about 5 to 10 minutes, ensuring even distribution. Let it sit for at least 30 minutes or even overnight before washing your hair. Aim for 1 to 2 treatments per week to see noticeable improvements. You can also easily incorporate vitamin E into your existing hair care routine. Simply add a few drops of vitamin E oil directly into your favorite shampoo or conditioner. Make sure to mix it thoroughly before each use to ensure even distribution. This method provides consistent nourishment to your hair and scalp with every wash, making it a convenient way to reap the benefits. For best results, use about 1 to 2 teaspoons of oil per 8 ounces of product. Beyond topical applications, you can also support hair health internally by ensuring adequate vitamin E intake. Incorporate foods rich in vitamin E, like almonds, spinach, and avocados, into your diet. If dietary intake isn't enough, consider a daily supplement, but always consult with a healthcare professional first. Adults generally need about 15 milligrams of vitamin E daily. Remember, high doses of supplements can have adverse effects, so moderation is key.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.